Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another product. This is from PHICOMM.com, and this is their K3 router. This thing is pretty cool. It works basically where you can plug this into your device for your internet that comes into your home, and this will take and route everything through, create wireless networks, all that good stuff. It has a pretty cool feature, which is a advanced touchscreen that goes on the top of it. You can see what different statuses are and adjust it across the top as well. That makes it very cool. It's got one interface of a WAN port and 3 LAN ports. I wish it had more LAN ports, but it still does a good job. It's got 8 built-in omnidirectional PCB array antennas with a reset button and 3 touch buttons for controlling the screen on the top. It's pretty cool touching the screen and controlling it and wiping through the menu on the thing. Pretty neat that way. And it's really, really good looking. It's very elegant and kind of artsy, if you will. People may look at that and go, wow, that doesn't look like a router. That looks like a art piece. It definitely does look good, so there it is. It's got beamforming dual frequency in it, so you can take and make sure you get coverage in all the different areas of your home and all that good stuff. You can have a guest network, terminal management, bandwidth control, MAC address cloning, configuration file import and export, and it comes with the web software upgrades that can be made to it through the unit. Yeah, like I say, it's really cool that you can have all this stuff on the top. It's got an app that goes along with it, so you can use that to control the unit. I was very impressed with it. It looks good. It's priced well. It's fast. It's going to give you pretty much probably what you're looking for when it comes down to it, and I think you'll grow to appreciate it when it comes down to it as well. 5 gigahertz, 2167 megabytes per second, 2.4 gigahertz up to 1,000 megabytes per second. Check it out. Go to PHICOMM.com and check out their K3. Tell them Chris Voss sent you.